Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is another video in my spring cleaning series, and today I am tackling some neglected spaces or kind of like forgotten spaces that really needed some decluttering and organizing. So I thought this would be like a fun kind of like Marie Kondo declutter organizing video. The spaces that I'm tackling, honestly, I haven't tackled in years. I haven't looked at in years, and they're just spaces that we just don't look at where I can just kind of like close the door and not pay attention and just ignore them, but no longer. So what you're looking at right here is all of our books, all of our DVDs, all of like my husband's games, and just kind of like random things. And these shelves haven't been decluttered in honestly like 2 years. So we got rid of so much stuff. I am so happy with the result. I hope that it inspires you or motivates you to kind of do the same thing in your home or declutter any space that really needs it. And then from here, I'm going to move on to two closets in my home that definitely needed it. The playroom closet and then actually the downstairs closet, which is like right across from where I'm standing right now. Those are two closets where it's just kind of like, I don't know what to do with it, put it in that closet. So I'm tackling those closets. I'm going to pop it back at probably in the middle and at the end of this video to tell you guys what's going on. But for right now, I'm going to let some music play and I hope you enjoy the process.
Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song. So let your eyes take you where you belong. Just say the word and we can be gone. So take my hand, I got you to a land where the stars always shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. We can be anyone the way you wanna be. A place where the sky meets the sea. When no one else is around here to watch. So take a chance, give your heart what it needs. Baby, I can see it in your heart. I know that you can feel it in the dark. It's what you see when you close your eyes. So baby, let me take you to the stars. Take my hand, I got you to a land where the stars always shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secret. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love from within. Let me in. I want real love, real hearts. You're just enough to get me through, get me through. 'Cause you're officially perfect for me. So wait for you, wait for you.
Up all night thinking, passing the time, anxiously waiting. You're mine, losing and winning. You can't get it right. Hoping you see me from more than just that.
Up all night thinking, am I on your mind? Will you come meet me and change my life?
This love could be deeper. Just
Thinking, will you love me?
click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you.
Addicted to you.
Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
So now I am starting on the closet directly across from the bookshelves that you just watched. And again, this closet is just kind of like a catch-all. Like it didn't really have a purpose, and it was just kind of just so random stuff. Just random things, like some random pillowcases that we haven't used, like some papers from college, like just totally random stuff. My high school diploma was like in a box in there. And again, like I feel like both of these closets were just totally random things. And tell me in the comments, do you guys have a space in your home like this where you're like, I don't know what to do with this, so put it in the closet? But I'm really trying to get rid of that space, or get rid of kind of that mindset. Like I don't want to have like a junk drawer in my home. I don't want to have like a junk closet in my home. Like if it doesn't have a place, then it just like needs to go. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So let me know if this is just me, or if you guys kind of struggle with the same thing. I would love to talk about it in the comments. But I'm going to tackle this space, and then I'm moving on to the playroom closet.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop, or are you falling for me? Is your world stop saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop when falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. Oh, oh, oh. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. 'Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. I'm falling now. I'm falling for love.
out of the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see just fired. It's just fired. I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom. Don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be dim. With my music together again. I see. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down.
Okay guys, so that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you. I hope it motivated you to do whatever you need to get done. I am feeling really, really good about the state of my house right now. Those spaces that you just watched or the spaces that you're watching, were just like bogging me down. And I just wanted to get into there and just like tear everything out. And now I feel like for the first time in a really long time, I have like a full inventory of everything in my home. And I'm not just kind of guessing or being like, what's in that closet? Is there something important there? What's in there? It's really, really nice to just, everything has a place and everything is organized and everything is decluttered. I still have a lot more work to do in my home, but I'm just really excited to like keep going and to tackle everything. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see you in my next video. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. I love you guys forever, and I will see you next time.